Let's add some door lock users. To do so, we have to add users to the control system before we can add users to the door locks. To do that, we have to open a viewer and do it all from the viewer. So first thing we need to do is go to the settings here in the bottom corner, and then we're going to go to the advanced settings. The default password should be 1234. Once we're in the advanced settings, we will manage users. So I'm going to add 2 users. The first user will be user 1, and the second user will be user 2. Now that we've added the 2 users, we have to go in and manage the settings of those users. We're going to go in here and adjust the local access passcode for each of those users. Okay, the local access passcode is for door locks or privacy mask control or utilities advanced control if they are enabled. So we're going to go in here and set the user's passcode. The first user we're going to use is 1234. And then back out and go to user 2. Go into the settings there. And we will set the local passcode here as 4321. Now that we've created 2 users and set their passcodes, we need to go assign them to user slots for the door lock. We have already added a door lock in a previous session, and it is a Z-Wave door lock. So we're going to go into door lock settings now. Notice the office door that is already showing up here. We have to go into user assignments, and we have to assign slots to a user. So you can see that none of them are assigned. So we're going to go to slot 1, and we're going to set slot 1 to user 1. And we're going to set slot 2 to user 2. Now, once we've set users in slots, we have to assign what door locks they have access to. So in some cases, you may have houses with or projects with multiple door locks, and not everybody has access to every door lock. We can manage that in here by either disabling or enabling door lock access. Or you can use the enable all or disable all button at the bottom. So go ahead and assign user 2. Now that we have the users assigned, we can go and see how it works. First things we got to look at is in here is if we highlight our door lock, we can see that enable alarm code has been set. If we chose to disable the alarm codes, we would just have lock and unlock buttons without having to enter a 4-digit code. In this case, I've got them enabled because we want to use those 4-digit codes for unlock. I'm going to press the force sync button to send those codes to the door lock itself. While this is happening, you do not want to be doing anything else with the Z-Wave network because this could take 10 to 15 minutes depending on the number of door locks and the number of user codes. We want to minimize that time by not doing anything else on the Z-Wave network. So now I'm going to back all the way back out. We will go into security and we can see that our door lock is here and is showing that it's unsecured. Let's go ahead and lock it. It shows it is now secured. If I go to unlock the door and use the user code 1234, we can see that it unlocked and shows that user 1 unlocked the door. So if I lock it again, shows it's secured by the controller. And we're going to unlock it again using that second user code. And we can see that it was unsecured by user number 2.